In this video, I'm going to show you how to send BCC emails in Gmail the easy way, so you can hide recipient email addresses and keep your messages looking clean and professional. This is really useful when you're emailing multiple people at once, whether it's for work, newsletters, updates, or simply protecting privacy. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, log in with the Google account you want to use for sending the email. Once Gmail loads, look for the Compose button on the left side of the screen and click it. This opens a new message window where you can start creating your email. At the top of the Compose window, you'll see the To field. Right on the right side of that field, click BCC. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and this is the key step that lets you send the same email to multiple people without showing their addresses to each other. Once the BCC field appears, enter the recipient email addresses you want to hide. You can type or paste multiple email addresses there, and Gmail will separate them as needed. This is especially helpful if you're sending to a group and want to keep everyone's inbox private. After that, click into the subject line and add a clear subject for your message. Then type your email content in the message body below. Make sure your message is complete, easy to understand, and ready to go before sending. Take a moment to double check the recipients in the BCC field, along with your subject and a message, to make sure everything is correct. When you're satisfied, click send. Gmail will deliver the email to everyone in the BCC list, but none of the recipients will be able to see the other email addresses included. And that's it. You've now learned how to send BCC emails in Gmail. It's a quick and simple trick, but it can make a big difference for privacy and professionalism. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Gmail tips, and I'll see you in the next video.